Hey guys, so I have a story to tell. Because storyteller ka, diba? Madaldal ka, diba? So, ayun guys, keep in touch. I'm just going to make kwento about me riding in a jeep. In a jeepney. Yeah. Because what happens is so disturbing. And yeah, so here's what happened, So I paid 20 pesos because the fare is 15 pesos. So, ayun, sinuklian ako ng driver. Basically, hindi ko talaga tinitignan yung sukli. Tanggap lang ako ng tanggap. As in, diretso na yun sa wallet ko. Hindi ko tinitignan kung magkano yung sukli. Because I paid only 20 pesos. I don't mind. Kasi 15 pesos yung fare. So, basically, ang dapat sukli niya is 5 pesos na lang. I just thought that na ang sukli is only 5 pesos as in piso na coins. So, ayun. I was so shocked because the driver got mad so bad. He got mad so fast. I didn't even know why. And then, he suddenly said, sobra yung sukli mo, 20 lang yung binayad mo ah. And then, I was like, oh my gosh. Hindi na lang ako nagsalita, hindi na lang ako sumagot. Tapos, binalik ko ata sa kanya yung, yung sobra. Yung sinabi niyang kung magkano yung sobra, binalik ko sa kanya. Pero I was so shocked, kasi, hindi ko naman alam na sobra yung sukli niya. Siguro, iniisip niya na alam ko, tapos, kinuha ko na lang basta. And then, ayun. Is it my fault na nagkamali ka? Diba? Like, the hell? Narcissist people blames you for their mistakes. Is it even my fault na nagkamali siya? Right?